Hey everybody, want to take a little bit of time to do kind of an update video on the 68 so you can kind of see what's been going on. Show you kind of where it's at. Probably looks a little different since last time you saw it. Still need to paint the wheels. This side has been cut and buffed pretty okay. It's about where I want everything. I'm probably just taking this thing a little too far. I mean, don't get me wrong, it's not perfect, but that's pretty crazy. Even down here, a bit of focus. Same thing, you can see the kind of stuff on the back. Top, it's how it's shot. I haven't buffed it. I'm probably not going to buff the top, but back here, I might be able to show it. See, it's got some. I'll probably cut and buff it some, just to work on that. And there's still like one or two sags I got to take care of in the hood. Just from where I got excited. I did do the vinyl stripe on this thing for now. By the way, they're a pain in the butt. And the other thing I don't like about it, and there's no way that I could have done this any better because it would not allow it to come back to that line the way it should. To make sure it was right. But it really needed to be like right here. And then keep in mind, if I'd done that, this stripe would have stopped like right here. And that it just wouldn't have looked right. So I'm probably gonna run stick-on emblems. I might get another one, or I might change the stripe on it. Not 100% sure on it yet. But see, about half the hood's done. And this side's pretty close too. I've did a lot of work on it. Still, once again, need to paint all four wheels. I need to drop the back end. It sits a little high. And I need to get the window felt. They should be here any day. So I can bolt in the mold in there. Drip rails on, all pretty shiny. Brand new windshields in. I got new carpet inside the car. I got a new front spoiler to put in it. The new carpet's nice. It's a one piece because I'm not running the center console. This car didn't even come with one. But we do have the gauges down there. Gauges up here. And then once again, everything under there is bed line, so it's going to be good for a long time. She looks pretty good. I still need to re-detail now under here. It's going to need a little bit of work, loving, cleaning up. But once again, she's pretty clean. I need to clean paint the heater box, put it on. I'm going to try to put the small block stands in there just the way my dad ran a few of the cars. See if I can't get that to work with the headers I got. I got the stainless steel headers inside. But she's pretty in yellow. A lot of my family members are like, why are you painting it back that color? And then they come over and see the car and then all of a sudden they become believers. And I still need to black the tail panel. I'm going to do that. I did order the bumper guards for it. So I'm going to run the tall ones on it. Black tail pan out. I have a Lemon Grove plating bumper over here that I'm going to use. And it's still really pretty. So we're going to put all in there. I got the brackets and all coming too. We'll paint them, put them all in. I did get the rear window chrome in. But we're still working. It ain't too much farther now, which is good. But just want to take a minute time to document it. Show you what it is. Thank you for watching.